Recently I watched a video where Kenji Lopez Alt from Serious Eats fame made double smashburgers where you make 2 patties from one, effectively doubling the surface area of the burger. I've wanted to try this for a while, so after seeing this video it inspired me to give it a go. Anyways, from here on out, just watch me make some burgers. Also, I'm going to cook up some french fries and time it so they'll be done at the same time as the burgers. Because you know, no one wants soggy fries or a cold burger. These burgers were a lot of fun to make, and the doubling of the surface area compared to one burger using the same amount of meat gave the burger an extra punch of flavor and texture. Delish! I'd do it again for sure. Well, thanks so much for watching, give this a thumbs up if you like burgers, and catch you guys in the next video.